So if you're ever going to Byron Bay or you are on the way to Byron Bay, you have to stop in Wards River. Wards River, and you have to check it out. This delicious food over there, which is they selling Cambodian food.
Where is it?
In Wards River. Absolutely delicious.
Hey.
Leave me to eat. We stop in the middle of the road because we're looking for a campsite, and we saw this beautiful little caravan.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Cambodian food. So we are happy to try some different delicious food. Let's try. Let's eat.
Oh, good. I'm excited about that.
Me too. Let's go. Chicken curry with beans and sticky rice. Let's try them. Let's try. Let's try the chicken rice. Let me. It's really delicious. After so long, the weather has been fantastic. So have a look, the weather is looking so great. Sun is out and rosé is out too. Cheers! Eventually we found the beach!
We've finally made it to the beach! Whoa!
It's great!
And the day that we get here, it's sunny!
Yay!
Woo!
We found this amazing campground and we set up here. How we can tell that he's a tradesman? Look at this tent! Isn't it unreal? Have a look. Look at this
Take a
tent.
video of it because I don't remember. I'm not going to remember how I did it, and I think we need to remember this one for the future because it's pretty good.
I love it. We'll love it. Well, actually, we wanted this space in the corner. Let's do
But
zoom.
it's booked for the night.
It's booked for the night, of course. Whatever we
Soon.
like, it's booked.
As soon as I went to book it, got booked out. That second, I cancelled it to have a look for my card, and then I went back to do it again and it was booked. So annoying. So I've just opened my 4X Gold, which I barely ever drank. And the first question when I opened the cap was, in which Australian state will you find a national park? And that's right here.
That's awesome.
Unbelievable.
That's unreal.
And where we buy these? We bought these in the country, in Victoria, I think. And then we come here and it says the name of the place
It's
on the
unreal.
bottle cap.
Is it
Unreal.
coincidence? Oh.
Total coincidence.
It's meant to be, baby.
If only we had the same luck with the campground.
That's right. We're ready to cook the Greek meatballs with ouzo and delicious basil and mashed potato. Let's do it.
Do you need anything from the fridge?
The ouzaki, please, the ouzo. Wow.
There we are. One cold beer for the cameraman. Cheers.
We are in Foster. It looks like and I feel like I'm in Greece. Have a look, this beautiful beach. So beautiful. And here we're going to cook meatballs, homemade Greek meatballs in this amazing spot with ouzo, the real Greek meatballs. So we're going to use 500 grams of the meat mince, beef I've got here, mince, a little bit of coriander, 1 onion here, 1 egg, 2-3 cloves of garlic, and here I've got oregano, rosemary, a little bit, salt, pepper, and here I've got a nutmeg. We cut up here the onions as fine as you can. Onion doesn't need to be perfect because it's gonna caramelize when you fry them a little bit. When I sauteed it, not fried, sauteed it with extra virgin olive oil. So this one doesn't make you fat, makes you happier. So good for you. Oh. It's gonna make you. What's that?
Fish.
Oh, fish. This beautiful island over there. Like, what a beautiness is that, huh? Ah, ah. Oh, yeah. We add everything into the bowl. Here, the rosemary, the salt, the pepper, and the oregano in. And we give it a mix with as well the good olive oil. Ah, good, yeah. The ouzo. Just a little bit, like that. Little bit of the nutmeg. And the breadcrumbs, of course. And make it like that. It's not, doesn't need to be perfect. Just need to rolling up like that. We can add anytime the spiciness, and then here I've got the olive oil that I've got the aroma of the olive oil with the herbs and the garlic that I said. So we pouring little bit like that. That's enough. The pan is hot, and now I'm coming with a mash to mash them.
Oh, yeah, right there. Oh.
Mash it,
Baby,
mash
baby.
it. Sauce with the onion and garlic and the basil here. And voila. Καλή όρεξη. Delicious. Oh, fish.
This is the Greek measurement.
Cheers.
Look at that for an Ozaki, huh?
With a Greek eye.
It was beautiful company. And let's enjoy our meal. Thanks, babe.
My pleasure. Delicious homemade meatballs in this amazing place.
And finally the weather turned it on for us.
Oh yeah, after so long.
And in a big way. So
Yeah.
let's enjoy our food.
Enjoy. Let's enjoy it.